My name is Shrina and welcome to Purple Seashells. Today we'll be making cucumber appetizer. So the ingredients you'll need are cucumbers that are cut into circles. I did it in a fancy way. Homemade hummus or store-bought hummus. I did a video about this, so you can check that out. And tomatoes. So let's get started making it. Just take a small spoon of hummus and put it onto the cucumber. If you want spice, you can use spicy hummus, or if you don't want spice, just use normal. Time to top it off. We're going to use a little bit of tomatoes and then just put it onto the hummus. This is really, really healthy and delicious. I hope you try this. Give a big thumbs up if you like this video. Bye! Thank you. Please subscribe to Purple Seashells.